Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking at this space for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Sanchita and I create content on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and recently I've been loving to record my life through vlogs. So if you are interested in any of these topics, I would insist you to subscribe to my channel and join my community of amazing women wherein we have a lot of fun and grow through it. Let's now directly jump on to today's video. As you can already read by the title, I am going to give you my honest review on few of the products that I bought after getting influenced by influencers or by aggressive brand advertisements on social media. Like, I believe that social media पे maximum influencers are paid to create such videos. However, मुझे किसी ने कोई पैसा नहीं दिया है.
Wow!
So trust me, I am going to give you 100% honest review on these products. So without wasting any more time, let's go. ओके, मैं पहले बताना भूल गई, इस वीडियो में सारे ब्यूटी रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो विद स्किन केयर कैटेगरी. ओके, सो पहला प्रोडक्ट है ये फेशियल हेयर रिमूवल पाउडर बाय नमो ऑर्गेनिक्स. इससे पहले मैंने एक मिनी रिव्यू बनाकर अपलोड किया था ऑन यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स. वो वाला वाज फ्रॉम फेथ एंड पेशेंस. वो आई डोंट नो व्हाई मुझे अपनी स्किन पे माइल्ड लगा. However, ये वाली ब्रांड का मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा हार्श लगा. I have used this product around 7 to 8 times now, जिसमें से मेरी स्किन पे यहाँ 2-3 बार रैशेस पड़ चुके हैं after using this product, and this is when I do not even have sensitive skin. So my sensitive skin girlies, please stay away from this product. पैच टेस्ट कर लेना. This is for everybody. यूज करने से पहले पैच टेस्ट करना is very important. So if you are comfortable with other ways of removing facial hair, I would not recommend this. I don't think it's very suitable for the facial skin. Okay, so next product है this Cetaphil lotion. I was on hunt of a good moisturizer during the time when weather was changing from winter to summer. During this time, my skin gets very dry. So I went on to internet and researched कि कौन सा moisturizer मंगवाना चाहिए, and most of the influencers were suggesting this one by Cetaphil, and I heard that even dermatologists suggest to use it. So I was like, hopefully this is not going to break me out. I opened the packaging and smelled it. It had no smell, rather थोड़ी सी foul smell थी. Smell करते ही थोड़ा सा offsetting सा हो गया था मेरे लिए, but when I used it, trust me, I had tried a lot of moisturizers, but this one gave an immense comfort to my parched, dry skin. बहुत बढ़िया काम करता है. It is perfect for sensitive skin. Also, it did not break me out. So, I will definitely recommend this product for people who want a good moisturizer. Okay, next up, I have 2 sunscreens that I bought after so many reviews flooding in on the internet. One of them is by Plix. This variant is called Guava Glow. This sunscreen is SPF 50 PA+++. This sunscreen is a gel-based sunscreen, very lightweight, and ये skin पे absorb भी फटाफट हो जाती है. But इसका पंप खराब हो गया था आफ्टर 1 or 2 यूजेस ओनली. मैं इंटरनेट पे गई, मैंने बहुत ठीक करने की कोशिश की, बट नहीं हुआ ठीक. सो व्हाट आई डू इज, मैं इस पे यहाँ से ओपन कर लेती हूँ बॉटल को, एंड आई टेक द सनस्क्रीन दिस वे. I know not the best situation or solution, but this was the best possible way of not wasting the product. All in all, I will recommend this product because of the product और उसकी efficiency. But I would suggest Plix or Aqualogica, who have similar packagings, to just discontinue this type of packaging as it is a hassle. Okay, moving on to the second sunscreen that was getting viral was this one by Dot & Key. ये भी SPF 50 PA+++ है. ये sunscreen viral हो रही थी because this was, I think, one of the first sunscreens that I saw on the internet which had water-like consistency. I mean, look at this. This one feels very lightweight on the skin. ये वाली consistency feels even lighter on the skin than the gel based one जो इससे पहले दिखाई थी. इसकी पैकेजिंग भी ओके है. This blends out very well. I will highly recommend this one. स्किन केयर के अगले प्रोडक्ट पे चलते हैं which are going to be lip balms. दो लिप बाम्स इंडियन मार्केटिंग में बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहे थे. One was this Hyphen lip balm. It is named as All I Need Lips Cream. This brand Hyphen is Kriti Sanon's brand. Hence, everyone on the internet went cuckoo for her product line. However, this particular product especially got very popular on social media. Regarding the product, the lip balm is clear and very thin in consistency. And when you apply it, it feels more like a lip oil rather than a lip balm. Also, it tastes a little sweet, which I don't mind. According to me, this is an okayish lip balm in my opinion. It is nourishing, but it doesn't last for very long on the lips. So that's my review. For the price, I will not recommend this product. Second lip balm which I got influenced to buy was this Dermaco lip balm with 1% kojic acid. प्लस इसमें SPF 30 PA++ भी है. I legit love this lip balm. I swear. I think this has been hands down the best lip balm that I have ever used. First of all, look at this cute packaging. Also, this lasts on my lip for very long time. Plus, this lip balm claims to lighten the pigmented lips, which I had since childhood. And with continuous usage, it did actually worked on that as well. But I would not say very drastic change in the lip color, but noticeable change. I will highly recommend this lip balm as it heals and makes my lips so soft, and bonus, reduce the dark pigment on my lips too. Now we are over with skincare products. Let's now talk about body care items. Okay, you'll agree with me on this. There's this brand called Saphir. That brand advertised their products so aggressively. I mean, I got influenced to buy their 5 products under some scheme. यहाँ 5 product मिल रहे थे 999 के. First one was their body razors and they were use and throw ones. Honestly speaking, not very good quality. Won't recommend this. Second product was this Safe Spotlight Sensitive Body Serum for dark underarms, inner thighs and sensitive areas. I don't know about sensitive areas, but I use this one on my underarms and back. It worked fine, no drastic change honestly. The serum is like a light moisturizer which should not bother you in summers. But ये individually 400 रुपए का 500 gram product is not worth it. Not recommended. Third product that I bought from their website was the Safe Spotlight Body Cream. This cream claims to reduce pigmentation on your neck, joints and skin folds. इसमें 3% glycolic acid है, alpha butin है and SPF 30 है. Honestly, ये बहुत बकवास क्रीम है. एक तो इतनी हेवी है, ऊपर से वाइट रेजिड्यू छोड़ देती है. आई पर्सनली फील दैट समर्स में तो बिल्कुल यूज नहीं कर सकते, स्पेशली जॉइंट्स एंड स्किन फोल्ड्स में, क्योंकि जॉइंट्स और स्किन फोल्ड्स में ऑलरेडी इतना पसीना आता है, ऊपर से इतनी हेवी क्रीम और लगा लेंगे. I will not recommend you guys to buy this one as it does not work and it's very heavy. Next product is this very viral Safe Instant Tan and Dead Skin Removal Exfoliating Gel. Very high claims, very misleading advertisements. I'll tell you why. As soon as you start applying it on your body parts, इसके granules start to burst and excrete this grayish type of substance, जिसको साफे कंपनी ये बोल के एडवर्टाइज करती है कि ये आपकी स्किन के डेड स्किन है जो ये प्रोडक्ट की वजह से निकल रही है, but that is not true. I closely looked at the product while using it. It was the beads that was already present in the scrub which were bursting into this gray residue. Also, ये तो advertisements में दिखाते हैं कि instantly reduce करता है आपकी टैन को एंड आपकी स्किन को लाइटन कर देता है. Those are some very wrong claims. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता ऑनेस्टली. स्किन वैसे की वैसी डिट्टो सेम दिखती है, पहले जैसी थी. कुछ नया ट्राई करना है, एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए डेफिनेटली यू कैन ट्राई दिस, but I will not recommend this product because it does not work as it claims. Last but not the least, सबसे ज्यादा वायरल और पागल बनाने वाला प्रोडक्ट साफे डी टैन क्रीम इंस्टालाइट डी टैन वाइप ऑफ क्रीम. ये क्लेम करता है कि ये आपकी स्किन को 10 मिनट्स में 1 टोन ब्राइटर बना देगा, पर ये अपने क्लेम्स पर नहीं खरा उतरता। When I used this one, I was so excited. I used it on one arm only ताकि उतारने के बाद कंपेयर कर सके दोनों आर्म्स को। But as you can see, no difference can be noticed. Like 19-20 का भी फर्क नहीं आया। एकदम बकवास, मतलब और क्या ही बोलूं। Not at all recommended. Do not waste your time and money on this. Safe, I request stop making such high claiming advertisements and start working on your product formulations. Thank you. Okay, bye. With that, let's move on to next segment, which is hair care products. Okay, before getting to the products, let me tell you that I have wavy, sometimes curly and very frizzy hair type. I mean, when you touch my hair, they are super soft and healthy, but they look frizzy. My wavy and curly hair girlies will definitely get it what I'm trying to say. And honestly, मैंने maximum Indian लड़कियों के ऐसे ही बाल देखे हैं, to be very honest. But मैंने बहुत बढ़िया products ढूंढ निकाले हैं which have been a game changer for my hair. And now my hair have absolutely zero frizz and they have kind of straightened up. I don't know how. Anyways, let's dive into these amazing finds. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं इन दोनों मिनिमलिस्ट के हेयर सीरम्स की। इन दोनों सीरम्स को मैं पिछले 6 से 7 महीने से यूज कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम एडिक्टेड टू देम। पहला सीरम है ये एंटी डैंड्रफ सीरम फॉर स्कैल्प। मैं कुछ दिनों से डैंड्रफ से बहुत परेशान चल रही थी, सो आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस वन। वर्क्स लाइक अ मैजिक। इवन विद इट्स वन यूज पूरा डैंड्रफ क्लियर हो जाता है स्कैल्प से। आई मीन इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ बैड द डैंड्रफ सिचुएशन इज। I use it once a week only and that works for me pretty well. I will obviously highly recommend this one. Second serum is the holy grail for me. It is Minimalist Malic Bond Repair Complex 5% Hair Serum. Beautiful product. This one is a hands down dupe of Olaplex के Bond Repair वाले products and ये उनका 1/4 price का है. What you have to do is apply this serum on the hair strands like so and leave it on for 1 hour. So I apply the previous anti-dandruff one on scalp and this one on hair strands. Then normally hair wash कर लिया and you will be left with somehow repaired and the most manageable hair type. This serum is also compared to those expensive hair repairing treatments that rich people get from the salons. उन treatments में भी same formulations use किए जाते हैं. I will highly recommend this one. Next hair care product is this L'Oreal का hair serum. This is their protection and shine for dry, flyaways and frizzy hair. When this serum was launched, everyone was advertising about it and I was in desperate need of a treatment for my frizzy hair, so I bought it. Now this one is my second bottle and by that you can already know how much I love this product. This product is a light serum. I use it like I will use any other serum after the hair wash, but this has been the best hair serum I have ever used till date. This serum actually worked on my frizzy hair and really tamed them down. Also, this serum can also be used for hair styling with heat as this one will provide heat protection. All in all, if you have frizzy hair and you are in need of a hair serum that is going to tame it down, this one is for you. Hair care products में last but not the least is this beautiful product. This is L'Oreal Paris Filling Night Cream with Hyaluronic Acid for dry and dehydrated hair. My social media was flooded with this product's reviews and advertisements. So this is a part of L'Oreal's Hyaluron range, but everyone was a fan of this cream in particular. So earlier I was skeptical about it, but then I was like, chuck it, let's give it a shot. And I thank God that I bought it. इस वीडियो के सब प्रोडक्ट्स में if there's only one product that you can buy, it has to be this one. How to use? I take this much cream and apply it on my hair strands and this instantly leaves my hair in the most manageable state. So if you have no time to manage the frizz of your hair, this is the best product for the on-go use. I mean, मेरे बाल पहले संभलते नहीं थे, but now I have so many amazing products that I've been using, जिनसे मेरे बाल ड्रीम हेयर वाली कैटेगरी में आ गए हैं. So final verdict, this is a must buy product. बहुत लंबी वीडियो हो गई. Let's quickly jump on to makeup category. Okay, makeup में every woman was raving about Zudio का makeup, so I knew that I had to visit the nearby store, and I have bunch of products to review. I will quickly review the products for you. First of all, their nail paints. They are very pigmented, beautiful color range, and long lasting. Recommended. Next is their lip stain. It's moisturizing, beautiful sheer color. Recommended. Next up, glitter lipstick. I have been obsessed with glitter, especially on lips. I don't know why. It has been a while since there was this diamond lipstick that was launched and got very viral on TV advertisements. That is when I was very young. ये बिल्कुल वही चीज है. I was obsessed by that one, and I am obsessed by this product as well. It looks beautiful on lips. Highly recommended. Next Zudio makeup product is this eyeshadow. It looks highly pigmented when you apply it with the applicator, but as you start blending it, its pigment reduces. So if you can work through the pigment, I will recommend it for the price. Next up is this Cheek Shine, which is my latest buy. Same isme bhi when you apply it, it looks very pigmented, but it shears down on blending. I will recommend it. Also, I picked up two of their creme lipsticks as well. One is in the shade Blossom Pink P01. This is how it looked on me. Second one was this one in the shade Espresso Brown BR02. This is also a beautiful shade. I will recommend this product. Great quality for the price. Okay, these were all the products that I bought from Zudio. One more makeup item that I got influenced into buying was this Nykaa's PH Lip Gloss Oil. I mean, look at its original color. It is legit venom green. Anyways, as you apply this one, it slowly changes its color into pink or light red and looks like this. Also, when removed, it leaves pink and reddish tint, which is great because lip glosses and lip oils वैसे भी कितनी ही देर टिकते हैं lips पे. So pigment is something जो बाद में भी दिखेगा. All in all, it works as it claims. So yeah, if you want to have fun with a cool product, you can buy it. Well, these were all the products that I bought after getting influenced from influencers and social media. Let me repeat myself again that all the reviews in the video were my honest review, and none of the brands had paid me to say good things or bad things. I made this video so that you can think before buying these tempting beauty products and save your money on the products that are so not worth it. I loved creating this video for all my girlies and guys who love to upkeep themselves. You can comment down below if you want me to try any other hyped product and review it honestly for you all. Hit the like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified to view more of such fun content. I'll see you guys again with another video. Till then, bye.